India hanged 4 men on Friday who were convicted for the rape and murder of a young woman on a bus in New Delhi in 2012, in a case that shocked the world and shamed the country over its appalling record for crimes against women. The men were executed at dawn in Tihar jail, on the outskirts of the capital, 4 television news channels reported. Hundreds of policemen were deployed outside the jail premises to control the jubilant crowd that waited with placards to celebrate the execution of the men for the attack that shone a spotlight on women's safety across India. The crime, which happened on the night of 16 December 2012, sparked massive protests and global outrage. The victim was dubbed Nirbhaya, the Fearless One, by the Indian press, as she could not be named under Indian law. 6 men were arrested for the attack. One suspect, Ram Singh, was found dead in his jail cell in March 2013, having apparently taken his own life. Another, who was aged 17 at the time, was released in 2015 after serving 3 years in a reform facility, the maximum term possible for a juvenile in India. The 4, gym instructor Vinay Sharma, bus cleaner Akshay Thakur, fruit seller Pawan Gupta and unemployed Mukesh Singh were sentenced to death by a fast-track court in 2013. In 2017, the Supreme Court upheld death sentences against 4 men, with judges ruling the crime met the rarest of the rare standard required to justify capital punishment in India. India's president rejected pleas for clemency from the condemned men, after the Supreme Court dismissed their pleas for a review of the death sentences. Attacked on a moving bus and left for dead on roadside, the victim, a 23-year-old physiotherapy student, clung to life for 2 weeks before succumbing to her injuries. She died in a hospital in Singapore, where she had been transferred in a desperate attempt to save her. Outrage over her death led to India passing tough new laws against sexual violence, including the death penalty for rape in some cases.